Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to our lessons, The Road to Quran. This will be our episode 21. For those who have just seen us today, you can go on our YouTube in the playlist called The Road to Quran. You'll find all our lessons from episode 1 up to this episode, which is episode 21. And don't forget to subscribe. You can share our videos to some of your friends so that they can also benefit from these lessons. It will help them to see how they can read Arabic or they can recite Quran on their own. So this is our lesson that we have termed two Shadda side by side. Two Shadda side by side. We are saying two Shaddas when they meet side by side. You find Shadda and another letter has Shadda. They are following each other. Remember, I talked about Shadda. Shadda comes when two letters that look alike, they follow each other. The first one is Sakina and the second one is Mutaharrika. I will repeat. Mutaharrika, it means a letter that has haraka, either fatha or kasra or dhamma. Any letter that has haraka is called Mutaharrika. Any letter that has sukun is called harfu sakina. So for instance, this is ba with the sakina or sukuni, and this is ba with fatha. It will bring ba with the shadda. That means the first one is sakina, the second one is mutaharrika with fatha, and they produce a letter of fatha with the shadda. That's how Shadda is created. So here we are seeing letters that have Shadda side by side. Two letters that all of them they have Shadda. Shaddas are side by side. For instance, this is our word na. Then you have swat with Shadda, which will be nassa, which will be nassa. And the following letter is dal with Shadda also, which will be Naswadda. Hope you're together. Naswadda. Waddu. Wadulla. And make sure that the Shadda is pronounced well. I said Shadda, it has the duration or the recitation. You recite it or you read it with the duration of two harakas, of two letters, because Shadda itself, there are two letters that they emerged or they merged. They merged into each other or they entered each other to make one letter that has Shadda. Two letters, the one with Sakina and another one with Haraka, and they make one letter with the Shadda. So when you recite a letter with Shadda, make sure that the first there should be the first of two letters. So this is Lam, Kasra, Li, Ya'u, Shadda, Dhamma, Yu, Li, Yu, Lam, Fatha, Shadda, La, Li, La, So here you find a letter that has a word that has many letters, so but they have shaddas, so we have to try. But I told you when you want to read Arabic well, try to first separate it. You see, you just divide it when you read it, then you connect it together. So let's see the example. If I'm to read this one, I will say Lana, because these are just complicated without shaddas. Lana, then there is swat. So I will say Lana so, after perfecting these three, then I will add a pause. La naswadda. Then I will repeat them until I perfect them. La naswadda. Then I will repeat these two. Qanna. لنصدقن لنصدقن. So I'm going to join in the whole word. لنصدقن لنصدقن. Always mind these shaddas and how they are hidden and how they are made heavy. يود. See, Shadda is on that. يود. يود. So I'm going to join with this Shadda and this. يود. So this alif becomes silent. The alif becomes silent. يود. Shadda. They are side by side. يود. Then that is kasra ali. This mad of two, mad of tabi'i. يود. Then you prolong. You elongate. Mad of tabi'i, the natural elongation. Then you're going to join it out. You're going to read the whole word together. يود الذين يعملون. This is tabi'i of two. يعملون. So we are coming. We're going to jump from here up to here. These two letters become silent. We're going just to jump there because there is Shadda in front of it, which will kill this letter. So you jump from here up to sin. يعملون يعملون of two harakas because of busy, but of fatha it's a sign that shows you're going to prolong two harakas or the mad of two. سيئات يعملون السيئات. ولي لم كسرة يا شدة ضمة. ولي الله. So these shaddas are coming together. These are side by side. ولي الذين then kaf in Shadda. This is another version of kaf that we saw before in our previous lessons. يذكرون. Number two. يذكرون. See, it has this long mad which starts from 4, 5 and 6. Okay, you come to see how you can read 4, how you can read 5, how you can read 6 in other lesson. It's a long, as I said, it's a long mad. This becomes a silent letter. This one becomes also a silent letter because this is sukuni. This sukuni kills the word, the mad of two here. But if you're reading the word ayyuha only, you will read ha, you prolong. But if you're joining with this sukuni, lam and sukuni, this one will just die because of sukuni. Ya ayyuhal muzammilu. Ya ayyuhal muzammilu. Ya ayyuhal muzammilu. Ya, remember the long elongation. Ya ayyuhal مدثر يا أيها المدثر. These ones become silent when you're joining this word to this word. ذرية فطهروا. So this mad of two is becoming silent because of the sukuni in Shadda. I told you when Shadda comes, there are two letters. That means in this ta'u there is sukuni. That means it's a ta'u and a ta'u. The first ta'u came with the sukuni like here, and the second one came with the mutaharrik. So because of the sukuni in a ta'u, to make Shadda is the one that can be DC mad of two. So we just say fa-taharu, don't say fa-taharu, no, unless it's a long compulsory mad. We will come to see them inshallah. But here this one becomes silent. This alif, you will not elongate it. Fa-taharu yasuddannaka. So I'm going to read them again. Naswadda wadulla liyulla nasayyi yadhakka mutawwi lanasaddaqanna yawaddu alladhina ya'maluna as-sayyi'ati waliyul ladhina yadhakkaruna ya ayyuhal muzammilu ya ayyuhal muddathiru dhurriyyatun fattaharu. I never explained this one. This alif becomes a silent letter. You come to see it the more you learn reading Arabic. Fattaharu yasuddannaka. So these are our examples for today, which was lesson 21. Please, those on YouTube, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have questions, put them in the comment sections. If you have questions on TikTok, please, you can first follow us, and then you share and repost these videos so that they can benefit other people. Wassalamu alaikum.